All right, a friend of mine knows I'm a knife enthusiast. He sent me this Gerber, and I have been cleaning fish, butterflying baits, and using it as a nice folder that goes in a tackle bag. And I gotta say, I really like this blade. And we caught some beautiful sea bass today offshore with some kings, grouper, snapper, all the whole gamut. But just gonna clean a sea bass real quick with this Gerber. First and foremost, it's about as sharp as a razor blade. I've cleaned all kinds of stuff with it so far. Butterflied quite a few baits, and it's still super sharp. Just dig in, go all the way up the fins, right along the backbone. Cut down to the backbone. Go over and out. And up. Now come up here, and there's quite a bit of meat up at the very top right here. Well, this is one thing my dad was real peculiar about. Don't just cut a sea bass off like this. Go up, he called this the sweet meat. He paid special attention to sea bass. This was his favorite of all. Come up underneath the fin, go out. Just like that. All right. And that was done. Here's one side. And for the second side here, do exactly the same thing. Start at the back. And yeah, I think we got all of that one. Nothing left. And you can see there's 1, 2, 3 scales and a little bit of blood on this fillet. Simply wipe it off. Just get everything off of it. Feel your way through these, or you can see them. And cut through the bottom of the ribs right there. And this is where you have to feel the fillet. You feel the bones right there. Just go barely on the side of them. Now come on the bottom side of them. Boom. You got all that. Now take your fork, put it in your duller skinning knife. And there you go. And there's all those ribs. Every rib in that sea bass. And the skin. And this is why they're so good to eat. You can see this, they're almost translucent flesh. Take that off the bottom side, and if there's one on the top side, just a little bit there, take all that away. And there you go. That's a beautiful fillet. We'll get this perfectly clean. All right. Look at that. It's beautiful. That's why these things are so good.